हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्पाइस जमाल। आई एम योर होस्ट नितिन और आज हम आए हैं एक स्पेशल जगह। वी आर एट वन ऑफ द लेजेंडरी मुगलाई रेस्टोरेंट द शालीमार। हम उनके जोगेश्वरी आउटलेट में आए हैं एंड वी आर गोइंग टू टेस्ट सम डिलीशियस मुगलाई फूड. So this is also one of the fantastic stories. Around 40 years back, a restaurant started with a small cart, just falooda and some knickknacks, has got 4 outlets in Mumbai today. So we will be enjoying one of the best Mughlai foods here and you guys will be along with me. तो चलो चलते हैं और कुछ delicious Mughlai खाना खाते हैं. So paya soup is here. We got 2 pieces of paya or a trotter. Now this is a kind of soup very nice on a rainy day like this. Let us taste. Wow, got slight hint of spice. हल्का spicy है, but when you cook paya for hours and hours, you get that rich broth. Taste of it is really nice. Wow, it opens up all your senses. So it is actually making me ready for those other courses to come. So our mutton boti kebab is here. Looks delicious. I think there are 6 to 7 pieces of mutton. As you can see, they look very tender. टेस्ट करके देखते हैं कैसा है. Wow, that mutton is really soft. The marination and the taste is so amazing. और मुंह में डालते ही घुल जा रहा है. It is melting in mouth. Very rarely you taste a mutton boti that is this soft. Excellent preparation. Let us taste it with some nice green chutney. It's made of mint and coriander. So while I'm tasting this delicious boti kebabs, they do excellent rans. So rans are the full leg of lamb. So if you pre-order here, they do the full ran. And if you are in a group, so we are not in a big group, otherwise I would love to order that dish, but even this is really top notch and very tasty. So after that mouth-watering mutton boti kebab, let us taste the tandoori chicken. Now this certainly looks delicious. Wow, it is nice and juicy. Let us give a squeeze of lime and taste. Well marinated and perfectly cooked. Though the size of tandoori is quite small, the size of chicken is small, but taste wise it's a really good taste. So our chicken dilruba is here. That is from the tawa section. It's like a nice thick gravy made with boneless chicken. So let us take some of that. दिख तो बहुत ही डिलीशियस रहा है. एंड लुक एट दी रुमाली रोटी. वी विल ट्राई दिस विद रुमाली रोटी. नाउ टेस्ट टू अ गुड रुमाली रोटी इज you should be able to see your hand from inside. It should be like a handkerchief and almost transparent. And this one is soft like cotton. So let us take a small bite of it. Rumali roti is so delicious and soft, and it's been ages I had such a good rumali roti. Now this technique of making rumali to this softness is something which is you will see with very older chefs. They use most of them use ripe bananas in a dough to make a rumali soft and stretchy like this. So let us try some more of it. Absolutely delicious, बहुत बढ़िया है. Now it's time to taste the naan as well. Look at the naan, nice, fluffy, and soft, just out of oven. This is a type of fresh naan. You can just eat it by itself with butter. So the chicken dilruba was delicious. It was a thick tawa style gravy. But when you come here, you must try their kormas, you must try their niharis and all the gravies. Even their murg musallam is very tasty. So some of them we have tried earlier. Last time we were here, we tried dabba ghosh. That was also a very delicious and a classic dish. So now next course we will try some biryani because people say biryani of Shalimar is also legendary. तो शालीमार का डिलीशियस मटन बिरयानी आ गया है. लुक्स एब्सोल्युटली टेम्पटिंग. दैट फ्रेग्रेंस, फ्राइड ऑनियंस, वाओ. सो ये मटन बिरयानी है. सॉफ्ट मटन के पीसेस हैं, देखिए, और खिला हुआ चावल, बासमती राइस. और बिरयानी का मज़ा है वो रायते के साथ हाथ से खाने में ही है. सो हमने डिफरेंट बिरयानी टेस्ट की है. दम बिरयानी टेस्ट की है, हैदराबादी स्टाइल टेस्ट की है, साउथ की बिरयानी भी टेस्ट की है. इसे ये लोग बॉम्बे बिरयानी बोलते हैं. इसमें हल्की सी खटास होती है दही के वजह से, और ये भी दम स्टाइल से बनाई जाती है. और मीट इज नाइस एंड सॉफ्ट, और इसमें आलू भी जाता है. तो यू कैन से दिस इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ व्हाट दे मेक इन कैलकाता एंड अदर प्लेसेस. और मुंबई में यू विल सी लॉट ऑफ रेस्टोरेंट दे सर्व दिस टाइप ऑफ अ बिरयानी. So after that delicious Mughlai meal, dessert तो बनता है. And for dessert what we are going to try is Shalimar special falooda. Now they started their business with falooda 40 years back. So their falooda is really good. Everybody has it. So we will taste one of that, and we will taste one Shahi Tukda. Shahi Tukda is an Indian version of bread and butter pudding. Really delicious. So let us see how Shalimar makes falooda and Shahi Tukda. That's the delicious looking Shahi Tukda, rabdi and nuts on top, and that's the bread soaked in syrup. ये डिश एक्चुअली वेडिंग्स में काफ़ी फेमस है, एंड एज यू नो शालीमार इज फेमस फॉर वेडिंग केटरिंग एज वेल. सो ये जो डिश है ये बहुत आपको मिलेगी, कोई भी फंक्शन में जनरली सर्व की जाती है और बहुत पसंद की जाती है. So the restaurant manager actually offered us firni and caramel custard to be tasted and reviewed. So very creamy फिरनी है. इसमें हल्का इलायची का फ्लेवर है, ड्राई फ्रूट्स है, माइल्डली स्वीट है, वेरी डिलीशियस. इसको चिल करते हैं मिट्टी के कुल्हड़ में तो इसका टेस्ट और भी एनहांस होता है. This is one dessert you will see it in all the restaurants which serve typically Mughlai food. It's the caramel custard. So caramel बना के बाद में उसमें कस्टर्ड को सेट किया जाता है और फिर ठंडा किया जाता है. Nice jiggly jelly consistency. That's a sign of good caramel custard. Superb. So that was a very good experience with desserts. और किंग अभी भी बाकी है, अभी भी उनका फालूदा हमको टेस्ट करना है. So we will end the meal with फालूदा. Now here comes the legendary Shalimar special falooda. It's mildly sweet, and this is the kind of food you need after that spicy, tasty meal to cool you down. That was so tasty, falooda, and absolutely this is one of the incredible meals. Now with them they got four outlets in Mumbai. So if you are western suburbs, you can come to Jogeshwari. You can go to Andheri East, so they have it Sakinaka. If you are in Navi Mumbai, you can go to outlet there, and traditional Bhendi Bazar outlet is still there. So if you are looking for a good Mughlai food in Mumbai, and also they do excellent Indo Chinese food. This time I have not tried it, but they are quite famous for it. So on the highlight of those delicious desserts, we will end this video here. But if you like the review of Shalimar Restaurant, the beautiful food we tasted, make sure you press the thumb icon to like the video. Press the bell icon so whenever we do fantastic videos like this, you get an instant notification. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Importantly, subscribe the channel so we can grow this foodie community.